from here. Got a bit of a dip, and then it's up. See that road ahead of us? It just goes up and up and up and up. Oh dear. The missus always wanted, you know, she watched the programme Ice Road Truckers. She always said, "Oh Reggie, you could do that, you could be an ice road trucker." I said, you can F off. I said to her, I'm not stupid, I'm not going out in the freezing cold. And look where I am. Hey Debbie, I'm doing my ice road trucker bit. Yeah, I'm being my wife's little hero, aren't I? Let's see. It's 1 degree at the moment, and we're in the middle of the road. And you know when you're going on snow, it's the road goes quiet, doesn't it? Right, so what's that car doing? Waiting for us? Oh look, he's been in the naughty lay-by. Is that the naughty lay-by? Yeah. Oh no, it isn't. We're going to be coming down that road in a minute. Anyway, here we go. Up, up, up. Up, 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 up. And no one's been here for a while. We're giving it great. Yeah. It's not deep at all. It's not deep. It's just a covering, you know what I mean? It's just a soft covering. You know when you walk through it and then it leaves it, but I don't know. It's getting whiter. It's getting whiter, and this is just the beginning. I think the problem is coming down, not going up. I think going up is easy. I think it's coming down we'll have to, because remember we're still loaded with salt. We're still probably what are we? 17 tons, something like that. So that sort of weight will do what the hell it wants. But we're in a pretty capable and tough machine to be able to handle it. So, oh yeah, it's white up here, isn't it? Oh yeah, it's beginning to grow a millimetre or two. I wouldn't say an inch or half an inch. It's probably a millimetre or two. Let's just see how it handles this corner. Do we get any slippage as we go around this corner?
Turn right.
Let's turn right. Let's just sort of put your toe in the water. Yeah, no need to stop. Nothing coming. We got any slippage? Oh yeah, we have got slippage. Oh shit, yeah, we got slippage. Ah, so it isn't. We've got slippage. So just keep the throttle at a steady pace. Traction. It's all about keeping traction now. Just come up at a steady pace. Yeah. Don't give it too much revs. Don't give it enough so you stall it. Just keep a momentum. Just keep it rolling. That's the secret. Yeah. Don't come to a stop.
After 100
Just, you know, if you feel yourself coming to a stop or feel yourself needing to give it a rev, it's changing you there. We're alright. We're okay. We're okay. This is a bit narrow, so we're not going to test the traction here. We had a big junction there to test the traction, and we found out we had none. So let's go steady around here now. There's walls and gardens, and there's not enough room to play here. So, yeah. It'll be alright. Yeah, it's only a thin layer. I don't know if there's much difference between whether it's a thin layer or it's an inch deep. As we're cutting through it, we're leaving 2 black tracks behind us, so we're melting it as we're travelling over it.
After 100 meters, turn left.
Can you hear? No sudden movements. Slowly. slowly. Yeah. Oh, look at the grass at the side. Grass is
Turn
white.
left.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah, it's nice and white up here, isn't it? Again. Don't be a hero. Bring it back, shiny side up. Just keep rolling gently. Just keep going. That's it. Let the tyres do its gripping. Let the tyres do its work. Come down here now. Yeah. Let the truck hold itself back. Yeah. We don't want to touch the brakes because the brakes will make it stop. We'll just roll. Keep the momentum going. Look well ahead. If there's something coming that we've got to stop for or something.
After
We
100
first of all
meters,
see it well ahead,
continue.
and second of all we can do our plan before we get to it or it gets to us. Let's say this is the steepest, highest place we go. We've got a couple of steep hills to do, so that'll be interesting.
Continue.
Foot off the throttle, just let it roll down.
After 100
Don't put any braking
meters,
force into
turn
it.
left.
This is where we had a bit of a slide down here. Shall we test it again? Let's have a look. Just come through there, haven't we?
120.
We just came through there
Turn left.
and we see our slide.
After 100 meters, turn right.
Didn't much out of shape, did we? No.
Tyres ready, back one.
Yeah, touch the throttle. Look. Touch the throttle, the back soon slides out. Yeah. So we haven't got much traction at all.
Turn right.
We've just come through here now, look.
Right there.
Again, just keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Don't stop. Just keep it rolling. Yeah. I have had it before with the Arctic. Of course, that was more weight, less grip. The camber of the road slides you over to one side. This ain't bothering us.
After 100 meters,
Just
turn right.
go nice and steady. Yeah. You don't want to brake. You just want to roll by. You don't want to start sliding.
Turn right.
No.
After 100 meters, turn right.
Nothing coming. Nice and clear. There we are. There has been vehicles up here. Right, we're going down here.
Turn right.
Throttle off. Yes, just roll down here nice and gentle. It's not steep, it's just downhill. But let the truck go. Do its thing. You want braking force. And just gently just touch the brake there. Just to sort of keep it under control. It's holding us back on the throttle. It's not pushing any braking force. We're not adding any sliding force to it. It's coming down nice and slowly. Yeah, just ease off slightly. Yeah, no problems. I feel well and secure. Yeah. Yeah, we've got grip. No grip. There's a bit of a downhill thing. Approach it slowly so you don't have to brake. As it happens, we didn't need to. down on its own. The engine is holding it back now, look. What did it do then? Changed up, didn't it? Leave it in the lower gear. Yeah. Easy peasy. Right.
100 meters, turn
I think
left.
there is a hill ahead of us. So let's go back down, do our thing down there, and then there's
Turn left.
a few sharp little hills, so I'll catch you back in a minute, ready to come here. Ready to stop should we need to. It's no big problem. No,